Satnam, welcome to Lighthouse Yoga Studio. I'm Adi Krishna. This is my tutorial on Breath of Fire. We do Breath of Fire in almost every Kundalini class. Breath of Fire is an energizing, purifying, heat-generating breath that's going to help move the Kundalini energy through your body and through your chakras. It is something you could do all day if you learn how to do it right. And so the right way to do it is with an equal inhale, exhale through the nose. It's panting through your nose, but not in a way that is going to get out of control. It's a very controlled, steady, rhythmic breath. To learn to do this, you put your left hand on your belly, and you can practice pushing the air out through the nose equally. Focus on the exhales. You'll naturally inhale. Don't think about the inhales. You can also stick your tongue out and do puppy breath. If you feel like the breath of fire is getting away from you or you feel lost. So close the mouth and begin again. I will say the breath of fire is not for pregnant women or for anybody who is in the first 3 days of their menstrual cycle. You want to avoid doing breath of fire. And anytime where there's breath of fire, if you're not feeling comfortable, if it's making you feel dizzy or anything, you can just do a long, deep breath. So this is just the tutorial for breath of fire. But in case you don't know that, those are some rules around doing breath of fire. So go ahead and put your hands at your knees. You can sit in easy pose or in a chair, comfortably seated on a cushion or on your bed. Your back can be against a wall to practice this breath of fire. You're going to close the eyes, focus up and in at the third eye spot. You can keep your hand on your belly if that's going to help you to recognize the movement of pushing the air out through the nose, or you can just have both hands in Gyan Mudra at your knees. Your chin is slightly tucked, your spine is elongated, sitting nice and tall. And go ahead and begin. Hold the breath, squeeze, root lock, rectum, sex organs, navel, point everything in and up. Focus at the third eye. Hold the breath in. Exhale. And that is Breath of Fire. Thank you.